Shooting docks, guys. Shooting docks. Decent one. Decent one. There we go, another one. Dang it. Whew, that one came off. There we go. That's another one. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Ooh, that's a good one, y'all. Look at that. Yes. There's another one. There's another one. Nice fish. There's one. Come here, buddy. Ooh, that's a nice one. That is a nice one, y'all. Yes. 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 Look at that. He is around 11 inches. Nice fish. Pretty looking fish. We're back out here at HARTS Lake again, y'all. It's too much fun out here not to come back. I brought some things to cook us some lunch today, so we're gonna be doing that when it's lunchtime. It's not quite lunchtime at the moment, but yeah. Ooh, I became prepared this time, you know, being that it's so much fun to do catch and cook. The last time I was out here, I mean on Alder Lake, in the last video, I figured, shoot, I might as well do it again because I don't have to pay for lunch. I make my own lunch right on the water. Everything's good. So far, we've caught probably around 10 to 15 crappie so far. So it's a good day so far, y'all. It's a good day. We've, you know, shooting docks. We caught 4 or 5 fish off the dock, and right now we're just working the grass lines. Oh gosh. And there's one. Oh, how did he miss that? Look at that. Look at that. He pulled off my bait. You see that, y'all? Man, that was a nice one. That was a nice fish. We'll get him. We'll get him. Let's see if we come back for it. He was trying to interrupt me. That booger was interrupting me. Well, I guess he does not want to play. I guess he does not want to play. All right, here we go. Another one. Just when I turn off the camera, this guy wants to come out and play. It's a little 9-incher. Oh, little 9. Oh, come on, give me back my. A little 9-incher. And they are tearing up this gobbler minnow from 6 cents that I'm using. This bait right here works wonders right now on this lake. Brown with a clear white body. Anything brown right now in this lake seems to be the ticket. So let's see. If another guy wants to play. Come on, crappie. Come on, crappie. Where you at, crappie? So it's a little bit of work in the bank like this. You just gotta cover. There's one. There's one. You gotta cover a lot of water. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, broke off. Broke off. Where's my jig? Where's my jig? Oh, what the crap? Oh, there's my jig. All right, y'all, let me retie real quick and we'll get back to it. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys how I tie my jig since we have to retie. Okay. Let's cut this tag end off. So what I do, here's my jig. So this is how I tie my jig. It's just a basic loop knot, not real difficult. Being that's a 6-pound test line, I like to go through the eyes twice, run the line through twice, like so. Okay, then cinch it here, like so. And then I just make a loop. Okay, I'll go around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold this and cinch it all the way to the bottom. And that's it. Simple, nice and easy. Loop knot is all I use when it comes to crappie fishing. Let's cut off the tag end. The reason being is because when I use loop knot, you see how my bait is hanging? When it's in the water, it'll stay vertical, like so, parallel, I mean, like that. And that's what they want. They don't want your bait to be, you know, down on one side or nose heavy. They just want it, you know, they want something that looks like a fish, you know. So that's what I do, y'all. Oh boy. Here's one. Here's one. Oh, he came out of nowhere and picked up my jig. Oh, okay. It's another decent one. Good eater size. Okay. So you guys can see this is all these lily pads right here. What I do is just cast in the hole anywhere that I can cast into, like so. I don't know if the camera captures it, and then just work my bait back towards me. Here's one. Oh. That's another dandy. That's another dandy. Yes, sir. Gobbler minnow. That's how we're catching them today. Right here. Magical bait right here. You see the color? Brown with a silver body? That's it. Get yourself some, come out here, and you'll catch yourself some crappie. 6 cents, gobbler minnow. There's another, oh, I just had another bite. I don't know how I missed him. Oh. There's one. Ooh, this is a good one. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Nice. In the box. In the box he goes. Let's see if he has a friend right there. Ah, we got caught up in the weeds. There's one. There's one. What is this? Oh my God. Look at this bluegill, y'all. Look at this bluegill. I knew it was a bluegill the way he was running. Crappie doesn't run like that, so. Oh well, we still have fun. There's one. There's a nice one. Come on out of there. Come out of there. Come out of there. That's a nice one. That's another nice one. That's what we want. That's what we want. Another nice one, y'all. That's what it's all about. All right, everybody, it is a lunch break. I've already got everything set up. We're gonna cook us some lunch again. So when I did the first catch and cook at Alder Lake, I kind of enjoyed it. So I figure, you know what? I'm gonna leave the stuff in the kayak, in the truck. So that way when I come out here, I would have a catch and cook every single time. Eating fresh fish tends to taste a whole lot better, so I think I got myself addicted to it. I've already, like I said, got everything set up. My butane stove is ready to go. My frying pan is ready to go. Today, what we're gonna do is fish tacos. I came a little bit prepared today. I got me some napkins. As you can see here, we've got ourselves some spoon utensils. Let's see what we have. We got ourselves some butter. We got ourselves some taco seasoning right here, right there. That's gonna be our seasoning. We got ourselves some cheese right there, ready to go for our tacos. And of course, we got ourselves some tortillas. All right. Also, I have more stuff. I got more stuff, y'all. As always, you know, I gotta have my pork rinds. Gotta have my pork rinds to go with my taco and or just about anything that I eat. I love pork rinds. We got ourselves bunch of paper plates, and always gotta have my sriracha sauce. So let's get this on the road and let's start cooking. I've already prepared the fish, save a little bit of time. I don't want to I know you guys probably don't want to see my highly skilled fillet technique and whatnot. So we filleted up 3 crappies, and that's what we have here. So that's ready to go, ready to be cooked. So we'll leave that there for a second. Let's get so let's begin, shall we? Let's begin. All right, you know what, first we probably want to start the fire, get the pan nice and hot. There we go. She is ready to go. Let's open up this butter here. Let's put in a spoon full of butter. Man, this is great. Cooking on right on the lake, right on the kayak. Fresh lunch, fresh fish. Can't ask for anything better than that, y'all. All right, we're gonna need ourselves some napkin here before we start making a mess on the kayak. We already made a mess. All right, let's put that there. Let's put our butter up. Let that sizzle a little bit. All right, I think we're ready for the fish, y'all. Let's start putting some fillets in here. Man, those look good. Those look good, y'all. All right, let's throw this away. Put in our trash bag back here. Need some more napkins to wipe my hands. This is what I'm talking about right here. So we're tucked up under a tree away from the sun. It is beaming hot out there, y'all. I'm glad there's a little bit of breeze. That way it keeps us nice and cool. All right, let's open our taco seasoning. Man, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. I guess we'll find out, huh? Sprinkle some of this on there. Lightly. Oh man, this already smelling like a taco. It already smelled like a taco, y'all. Come on with it. Come on with it. Let's flip this. So that way we can get the other side with some seasoning. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be freaking bomb. This is gonna be so good. Put a little bit more as seasoning. That should be good enough. See? And this way here will last us probably around 8 to 10 trips of doing cooking on the kayak. Let's put that away. Need another paper plate. Yes, yes, what I'm talking about. Straight fresh. Look at that. Does that not look good? You guys can only smell what this fish smells like right now. Oh my God, smells so good. There we go. Get our tortillas ready. Man, so good. Look at that. Oh my. Relaxing on the lake, eating what we catch. No place that I'd rather be right now. Next time I think bring some lettuce and whatnot. That's the only thing I think that's missing. But oh my God, wow, so good. So these crappie right here, look at how tender they are. They just fall apart. When you cook it right, the best tasting freshwater fish. There's no game taste at all to them. Nice and light. Oh my. I needed that. Yes. Let's make ourselves another one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Whew. One heck of a lunch right here, boy. All right, let's put some of our sriracha sauce. Gotta have my sriracha. Man. Oh, look at that. Come on with it. This is so good. Yo. Wow. Oh my God. So 3 crappies actually is perfect when it comes to the amount to eat. Fills me up nicely and I'm full. I'm not wasting anything. It's a must that we catch fish when we come out fishing. If we don't, we'll be one hungry hippo. All right, guys, let me put everything away. We'll get back to you guys, all right? All right, y'all. We got done eating. We are full. Now it's time to get back to business. Let's see if we catch us some more crappies, y'all. I hope I got everything on footage with all the catch that I've caught so far. It's still early. It is 1 o'clock exactly, so we still got plenty of time to catch us some more fish. So if I didn't get the footage of me catching all them crappies, that's fine. We got plenty more time to go. Let's get back to it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm having a blast out here. Having a blast out here. Look at this. Oh my God. Straight slab, baby. Woo. There we go. That's more like it. Another nice one, y'all. Y'all, we are on our way home now. So recap of the day, we did real good today. We got a lot of crappies to take home. A bunch of them are really good size, around 10, 11 inch. So we had a good day. I had a great time. I'm glad that I decided to come out here today. And man, did I not tell you how delicious that lunch was. Man, let y'all know right now, catch and cook is where it's at. That's where it's at. Catch them fresh, eat them fresh. Whew, can't beat it. But anyways, I hope I captured a lot of good footage for you guys to see, but I have not yet seen it, so we'll see what happens. Oh boy, it is hot out there. I believe the temperature for today is 89, 90 degrees. I'm glad there was a little bit of breeze out there to keep us somewhat kind of cool. If there wasn't no breeze, Jesus. Whew, I'm drained from the sun. My energy is gone. But that's how it goes. When you want to have fun, you got to pay the price. Well, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, Lake Hopper out. See ya. GoPro, stop recording.